In the hustle and bustle of daily life, it's easy to lose touch with our inner selves. We become consumed by external demands, forgetting the sacred space within us, the temple of the Divine Feminine. The Divine Feminine is not confined to gender. It's an energy that exists within all of us. It's the nurturing, intuitive and creative force that guides us towards balance and harmony. Returning to the temple within means reconnecting with this energy. It involves creating moments of stillness where we can listen to our inner voice and honour our true selves. This sacred space is where we find solace, wisdom and empowerment. It's where we embrace our emotions, trust our intuition, and nurture self-love. To access this temple, we must be willing to slow down and turn inward. Practices such as meditation, journaling, and spending time in nature can help us reconnect with our divine feminine essence. As we nurture this connection, we begin to embody qualities like compassion, patience, and creativity. We become more attuned to our needs and the needs of others, fostering deeper relationships and a greater sense of fulfillment. In a world that often values doing over being, embracing the Divine Feminine reminds us of the importance of presence and receptivity. It teaches us that our worth is not determined by productivity, but by our ability to be authentic and whole. Reflect now that as you journey back to your inner temple, how can you honour your divine feminine energy? Reflect on what practices help you stay connected to your inner wisdom. Affirm with me. I trust my intuition and embrace the sacred space of my inner temple. I trust my intuition and embrace the sacred space of my inner temple. Remember, the temple within is always accessible. It's a sanctuary of love, strength, and grace, waiting for you to return. Affirm once more. I trust my intuition and embrace the sacred space of my inner temple. Thank you for being here today. You're invited to subscribe and notify for regular Divine Feminine Fridays to support you to unleash the power in softness.